36, this record is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating, or in and out of the camera. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. Everyone, when I call your name, let Ms. Gabe Robinson say her name first, then you can say yours. This is the People versus Chanel Denard, ticket number SP 1393378. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. May I please, this Honorable Court Attorney Phyllis Gaden Robinson, P71733, on behalf of Ms. Denard. Ms. Denard, unmute yourself and say your name for the record. Ms. Denard, turn the camera back to you. Touch the screen. Touch the microphone. Ms. Denard, say your name for the record.
Chanel Amanda Denard.
Your Honor, Ms. Denard did provide documentation of having had her insurance, and this matter is set for a dismissal with the stipulation to probable cause. We do so stipulate.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Denard has provided valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set, Ms. Denard. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, this is the People versus Clark Davis Jr., ticket number SP 1385396, count one, driver license suspended, count two, driver unregistered untitled vehicle. Good morning, say your names for the record.
Attorney Phyllis Gaden Robinson on behalf of Clark Davis. Mr. Clark Davis, can you please state your name for the record?
Clark Davis.
Your Honor, Mr. Davis has been made a very generous offer where if he pleads to one count of failure to display, the other original matters will be dismissed. He'd like to do that.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Gabe Robinson, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
To direct your attention to the date of August 30th, 2022 at 8:56 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Shoemaker and Harding Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2004 Toyota vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving when your license was suspended?
Yes.
Satisfied, Ms. Gabe Robinson?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Also satisfied factual basis will amend the count that failed to display you to the proper cause of count two to be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes, Your Honor.
Dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $200, Mr. Davis. Can you have that fine paid by May 30th?
I can pay it today.
Okay. Well, they need some time to enter everything into the computer. So can you give them at least 24 hours?
Yes, I'll pay it tomorrow.
Okay. You can pay it online or at the DivDat machines, or you can come down to the court.
I'm gonna come down to the court, stay right down the street from the court.
Wonderful.
All right, so you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the People versus Tammy Robinson, ticket number SP 1424082, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Attorney Phyllis Gaden Robinson on behalf of Ms. Tammy Robinson. Ms. Robinson, can you please state your name for the record?
Tammy Robinson.
Your Honor, Ms. Robinson has provided documentation of having her insurance. As a direct result, there's an offer for a dismissal with stipulation to probable cause. So stipulate.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Robinson has provided valid documentation. You're all set, Ms. Robinson. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Well. All right, this is the People versus. This is the People versus Lazaro Rock, ticket number SP 1227590, count one, open alcohol and a motor vehicle driver. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Rock. Mr. Rock, can you please state your name for the record?
Last Roroki.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, you just letting us butcher it. Sorry.
It's okay.
Your Honor, Mr. Roki has an offer for well, I'm sorry, no officer appeared on his ticket, and we're asking that this matter be dismissed.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's now 10:45. No officer has appeared. This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Roki.
Roki. Yes.
Okay. Good luck.
All right.
Good luck.
Thank you.
All right. This is the People versus Sandy Dojcinovich. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly. I don't think I did. Ticket number SP 1359268, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Sunday Djakovic. I think. Unmute yourself. Listen, this is funny. Huh? I'm sorry.
Sunday Dojcinovich.
Dojcinovich.
I was close, sort of.
Yeah, you were very close, both of you.
Your Honor,
Nice.
he has been made an offer to plead to the amended charge of failure to display, and he would like to take advantage of that.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Gaten Robinson, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
You know what? Ms. Gaten Robinson does have two civil infractions that are in default of no proof of insurance and disregard signal red or amber. So with that, you would be asking Ms. Horn to dismiss this failed to display?
I would. So because you have civil infractions that are in default and you have to pay them, I am asking that the prosecutor dismiss this misdemeanor matter because you have to pay those civil infractions, okay?
What civil infractions?
You got a no insurance ticket at the same time you got this one and a disregarding a traffic signal.
I paid all those tickets at the court.
So having paid those, we're gonna ask that you be given credit for having paid those and some grace on this ticket, and this one be dismissed. So this one will be dismissed instead of you paying this one as well.
Oh, okay.
Do you follow along?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Well, this is People versus Anthony Robinson, ticket number SP 1426024, count one, illegal dumping. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Anthony Robinson. Mr. Robinson, can you say your name for the record?
Anthony Robinson.
Your Honor, Mr. Robinson, has been made an offer to plead under a 12-month delayed sentence, and it's my understanding that he'd like to do that. Is that correct, Mr. Robinson?
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
And you've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Gaten Robinson, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yes.
You gotta listen
I
to the
mean,
questions.
no, I'm sorry. My phone is breaking up. I'm sorry. No,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
yes,
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes.
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of April 24th, 2021 at 5:17 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Thatcher and Gilchrist in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
Were you driving a 2011 Ford vehicle?
yes,
And did you engage in illegal dumping?
yes,
You're satisfied, Ms. Gabe Robinson?
I am satisfied.
Court also satisfied the factual basis, will accept the admission, will proceed to sentencing. This is a 12-month delayed sentence, Mr. Robinson, so that means you have 12 months to pay a fine of $200. During this 12-month time, you can't get any more tickets or citations or essentially no further police contact. When you come back on your next court date, which will be April 25th, 2024 at 8:35, you've done all that's been asked of you. This would be dismissed off your record. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
You remember your next court date?
Yeah,
What
the
is it?
24th of April next year.
At 8:35. Write it down so you don't forget. All right, you're
Okay, I
all
will.
set.
Mr. Robinson,
Yes,
go and pay that fine as soon as you can so you don't forget about it, okay? You
okay,
can make payments on it like it's layaway, just make sure it's all done.
okay, yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am.
All right, looks like your client is here, Mr. Clement.
I'm gonna try to reach out to Ms. Horn, Your Honor, while you do this.
Okay. Mr. Clements, are you available, sir? Are you ready? Are you ready on your matter?
Yes.
Okay. This is the People versus Natasha Dykes, ticket number 2275074. Driving, ticket number U652404222, count 1, disorderly conduct, and ticket number U652403222, interfere with city official in performance of duty. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Sergeant Jackson.
Master Sergeant Michael Jackson.
May it please the court, Your Honor, Adam Clements, P number 77233, appearing on behalf of Ms. Dykes. Ma'am, state your name for the record, please.
Natasha Dykes.
All right, this matter is set for trial. Mr. Clements, how do you wish to proceed?
Judge, I believe that Madam Prosecutor is going to present me with an offer. I don't believe that is. No. Sergeant Jackson was going to confirm the ID, and I believe he's done that. So that's why we adjourned until today.
Sergeant Jackson, have you spoken to Ms. Horn?
Yes.
Did you guys come up with
This is the lady that I cited.
And I agree.
Okay, I'm sorry. Well, did you guys come up with an offer? I missed what you said, sir.
If you could just put us back in the breakout room 1, Judge, I'll get it all right.